Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and if you want to buy a foreclosed home from a bank, then this video is for you. So first step is get pre-approved for a mortgage. So before you look at properties, get a mortgage pre-approval letter from a lender. This shows banks you're a serious buyer and know your budget. Find bank-owned properties, REO homes. Use real estate website with REO listing, then Zillow, Realtor.com or Redfin filter for foreclosures, and a bank website like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Chase Bank, and search for REO departments, and HUDhomestore.gov for government-owned foreclosures. Now hire a real estate agent experienced in foreclosures. Choose an agent familiar with REO transactions. They will help navigate offers, paperwork, and inspections. Inspect the property as is sale. Most bank-owned homes are sold as is, meaning no repairs or warranties from the bank. You pay for inspections, home mold, roof, HVAC, etc. The important thing is hire a certified home inspector. Now make a competitive offer. Banks want fair market value, not low ball bids. Your agent will help structure a strong offer. Include a proof of funds if paying cash or pre-approval later. Banks may take days to respond. Negotiate limited room. Banks may negotiate if the homes have listed a long time. Some may cover closing costs or repairs, but not always. Complete the paperwork and close the deal. Once your offer is accepted, finalize your mortgage, complete inspections and title search. Close with an attorney or escrow agent. Now here is the tips for 2025. Check local auction laws and REO timelines. Watch for hidden costs, the lends, unpaid taxes and repairs. Consider 203K loans if you plan to renovate. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.